Oh shit, I gotta put this together. Brian's probably like in the corner, like growing a beard. I think we could definitely do 9K, but Brian said 10K. He'll give away this keyboard. Or maybe if someone tomorrow hits the goal. What whaler? Brian, does that offer extend to tomorrow? $10K here tonight? Oh lord. Alright, you guys heard him. Time to stream for another 5 hours? Dang. I would if I weren't tired. I would build another keyboard. But if I keep like yelling, my mom's gonna be like, "Not need to fuck. Go to bed." Oh, good night. Oh, do I just call you 40IO? I didn't ask, but thanks for stopping by. You have to fulfill your own Santa duties. Understandable. Good night. Thank you for stopping by. Okay, this is, I'm assuming, something like this? Brian, does this look correct to you? Like this? Yeah, so for every $5, you get to put your name on a chain. You get to pick a color. We have raised over $1,000, which is awesome. While I assemble this wrist rest, we will, while we assemble this, I will start the giveaway for the desk mat. Just because you guys can get it. They're saying leave one layer off the front side angle of the board. They're saying leave one layer off the front side for the angle of the board. So this side. Okay. It is the KBBQ desk mat. This doesn't seem correct. Does it? I feel like it might be... Okay, the keyword is KBBQ. I imagine it would go something like this. Like this seems correct. Oh shoot. This seems correct. So I'm gonna do this one first. KBBQ. Can one of my mods link the dust mat? You can get any color except for navy. They don't have any more navy units. But they do have the different colors. The other different colors. Did they say to leave one of these off too? Let's see. Let's see activity. Make sure you screw if the desired screw have live adhesive. Okay, I don't see it. Oh yeah. Okay, so it is just like going in. Alright. Good night, Kinu! Kinu will be streaming tomorrow, so please be sure to check out the rest of the Key-Miss streamers. So it looks like the big base is at the bottom. Right? Yeah. Oh, cute. Thank you for the 8 months. I think this is correct. Like, this one we have to flip over, but looking at, like, someone else's photo, it looks like the biggest layer is on top. Right? So it's like this, but flipped over. I think this is how... Yeah. Oh, I see. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. So you want it like this. So it's like this. That's what you're saying, right? Okay, good catch. Oh shit, where did that go? Okay, got it. So like this. That went somewhere over here. Oh, Fox, thank you for gifting a sub. Where did that go? Oh, Lord. It's on my desk somewhere. I heard it fall. Okay, I'll find it. Okay, I'm gonna end the giveaway. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1. Big Beat Ken. Big Beat Ken. Do you claim? Do you claim? You did get into that one. You did. You claim? Hello, Big B Ken. Yes, you claim. Cool. You just message one of my mods, and they will get you all situated. What do I think about Hero? Is considering that you're waiting on a Vega, picked up the house, having second thoughts if there's anything to be gained from the aesthetic. I personally didn't go in on Hero, but I mean, Mono-K makes really good boards in general, but if you have a Vega and a house? Wait, you got a house? Damn. I don't know. If you're having doubts about it, I would say you could always just like try it out. And if you don't like it, just sell it later. I think the house is like... The house is not for me, but that's just like my personal preference. But I haven't gotten to build it, so if you're... I would say watch the VOD of someone who has built it, because you know, like they would actually be able to tell you like their thoughts, whereas I'm just like, you know, speculating. I'm just speculating.